As companies embrace AI to enhance efficiency and productivity, it is imperative to recognize the profound impact on employees. To ensure long-term success and knowledge retention, organizations must prioritize the human element, emphasizing AI's role in augmenting human intelligence rather than replacing it. Contrary to the fear-inducing narrative that often surrounds AI, its primary purpose should be seen as augmenting human intelligence. AI technologies, when integrated thoughtfully, have the potential to empower employees by automating repetitive tasks, analyzing vast data sets, and providing valuable insights. This allows human workers to focus on higher-order thinking, creativity, and innovation, ultimately contributing to the company's intellectual capital. One of the most significant challenges faced by organizations is the potential loss of institutional knowledge when employees retire or move on to new opportunities. AI can play a pivotal role in knowledge retention by serving as a repository of information, learning from the experiences and expertise of departing employees. Through the use of knowledge management systems powered by AI, companies can capture, organize, and make accessible critical information that might otherwise be lost, ensuring a seamless transition and continuity of operations. Rather than viewing AI as a threat to job security, companies should leverage it as a tool for employee skill enhancement. AI-driven training programs can help employees acquire new skills, stay updated on industry trends, and adapt to evolving job requirements. This not only fosters a culture of continuous learning, but also makes employees feel valued and invested in, leading to higher job satisfaction and retention rates. AI can break down silos within organizations by facilitating collaboration and communication across departments. By streamlining information flow and encouraging cross-functional interactions, companies can create a culture that values collective intelligence. This not only enriches the overall knowledge pool, but also promotes a sense of belonging and shared purpose, making employees more likely to stay with the company in the long run. In the pursuit of technological advancement, companies must not lose sight of the human factor. The success of AI integration hinges on its ability to augment human intelligence, foster continuous learning, and enhance the overall employee experience. By recognizing and prioritizing the human impacts of AI, businesses can not only retain valuable knowledge, but also cultivate a work environment that attracts and retains top talent, positioning themselves for sustained success. CG Infinity can help your organization leverage AI for competitive advantage. Contact us to find out more.